Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to remove Google Authenticator from your Binance accounts. Firstly, log in into your Binance app. You can also do this from the website. After that, log in into your accounts using your email or phone, number and password. After that, once logged in, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon and selecting the security from the menu. Locate the Authenticator in the security settings and Google Authentication option. Click or tap on the Disable button next to Google Authenticator. Verify your identity if needed by entering your password, providing a code sent to your email, or, if still accessible, entering a code from your Authenticator. After that, once you've completed the verification, Binance will disable the Authenticator for your accounts. And that's it. Also guys, make sure to save your Binance recovery codes before removing Google Authenticator. Removing two-factor authentication temporarily reduces your account security, so re-enable a secure method immediately after. And you're all set. Give this video a thumbs up if this helped, subscribe. See you next time.